Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram account permanently on Android phone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open Instagram, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings. And once you are in setting, you simply need to click on help, and then you need to click on help center. And once you are in help center, you simply need to search for delete account. Okay, once you search that, you simply need to click on delete your Instagram account, and here you need to scroll down and click on instagram.com from a mobile browser or computer, and then you need to click on delete your account. Okay, so once you click here, you would simply need to give a reason. So I'm going to give too many ads, and here you need to re-enter your password, and here put your password. So let me, and then you need to click on delete, and then you need to click on OK. Once you click on OK, your account will be deleted, and you have option to, if you want, re you can reuse your account before 27 August, because Instagram give you 1 month to again use your account. After that, Instagram will delete your account. So this is a process by which you can delete your Instagram account on Android phone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.